The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Remove the side panel. Pry the left kick panel off carefully. Use a flathead screwdriver to slowly pry off the clip. Remove the rest of the clips the same way. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Disconnect the light from the panel. Open the glove box. Remove the screws, though this model we were filming was missing one. Unhook the dampener arm. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. We found the easiest way to remove these 3 Phillips head screw clips is to use a Phillips head screwdriver bit and carefully unscrew the clips with your fingers. Be careful, as applying pressure can make the screw collapse back into the clip. This vehicle only had 3 of these screws, though we had a spare in our toolbox that we installed later. Yours could potentially have 5. Remove the glove box back panel. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Clean out any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1060 filter into the frame. Push the top and bottom edges down until they are under the tabs. This will help the filter lay straight. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the frame and then press until it clicks secure. Reinstall the back panel. Reinstall the clips. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Reinstall the corner screw. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. close the glove box. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the footwell panel. Reinstall the clips.